All right, guys, we got a 2021 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Right at 112. One more. We'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. 21 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Boom. Right there. Beautiful color. Beautiful car. Anyways, he went all the way to Atlanta to pick it up and brought it back to us to get the exhaust done. This is the second car we do for him. So we appreciate him coming in. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Factory X-pipe there. Then we did a mid-delete, as you guys can see there. Then we left the valves in, there and there. Rear delete, there and there. Into some beautiful 5-inch signature tips. Out the back to complete the look, as you guys can see. Right there and right there. There's the mids that were on it. There's the mids there, and the rears, and the stock tips that we took off. It's got some rubber from burning some tires. We ain't gonna talk about that. That's what they're made for. Anyways, that's what it looks like, guys. A lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Tell me, what do you think the decibels will be? 2019 SRT Hellcat Charger. Really beautiful color. Stone gray. I like that color. Black wheels. Just clean car. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Factory converter there. Factory there. Factory X-pipe. Then we put two Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 15430S, as in Sam. Anyways, there and there. And then we left the valves in, there and there. And we left the rears in, there and there. And then he brought his own carbon tips, black, there and there. We installed them. They're bolt-on. Very easy to install, guys, if you ever get them. You just loosen this bolt, put some good PB Blaster or WD-40 on it, and hit it a couple times with a rubber mallet. It loosens up. Take off the old ones and install the new ones. And they're pretty good about getting them just right. So they're really good at that, carbon is. Okay? But there's the two tips that were on it. And there's the two mids that were on it that we cut off and replaced them. There it is. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. Just a nice car all the way around. Nice stripes on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Red Eye. Beautiful purple. Very rare. You don't see them in purple. It's really nice. In the sun, it looks really, really nice. If I get one, I'll probably get one with purple. I like it. It's sexy. Anyways, factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then we took that whole system off right there, as you guys can see the stock, and replaced it with a full bolt-on Corsa Extreme catback. There'll be a link in the description. I don't have the part number on it. He brought it in pieces to be able to fit it. So there, it comes with an X-pipe, 3-inch system, active exhaust there and there that plug in. Then the Corsa Extremes out the back there and there. And on these Hellcats, you always want to tack them, all the clamps, because they do have a lot of power and they may usually loosen up. So make sure you always tack them. Tell the people to tack them for you when you get them professionally installed. Unless you bring them to us, then you don't have to tell us anything. We'll just do it. There it is out the back. Came out absolutely beautiful. This is his second or third car that he does with us. We really appreciate his business. There it is with black angle cut tips. It just came out sexy. Anyways, there'll be a link in the description for everything you guys see here. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget that notification bell. It's alive. Your sound decibels. never gets old, man. Go ahead and back it up. Really nice idle to it too. You feel that in your chest, man. It's so amazing. Those tips look so good on it too. It's clean all the way around. I'll let you guys hear on that. Flowmaster Outlaws in the middle only. That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 119. 118 at double rev. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. That sounds beastly, man. I love it. Go ahead and back it up. Listen to that idle. Release the beast. Beautiful. I like it. Wow, that's sexy. It's got a really nice bite to it. Don't you guys agree? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yep, that's it. Wow, here's sound decibels. It hit 121 earlier. Yeah, there it is, 121. Again? Yeah, that sounds perfect. Yeah, baby. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds beautiful. Man, it's sick. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger 2021 Hellcat. Wide body. Look at that stance on this beast, man. It's beautiful. Hopefully it'll give us a nice takeoff. See? Beast mode. Yep. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys. Hellcat with Flowmaster Outlaw shorties in the middle, carbon tips. Oh, it's beautiful. Beast mode. Anyway, guys, that came out perfect. Dodge Charger Hellcat, red eye, with a full Corsa Extreme cat bag. Heavy.